August feels like the tail end of the growing season, but for a long list of vegetables, it is actually the best time to plant. Get these 15 in the ground this month, and you will be harvesting well into fall, sometimes right up to the first frost. Here is exactly what to plant and why August works. Quick note before we start. Your exact planting window depends on your frost date, so check your local first frost date and count backward from there. As a rule of thumb, anything on this list needs 45 to 75 days to mature, and August gives you just enough runway. Number 1. Bush beans. Fast, reliable, and one of the best fill-the-gap crops. Ready in about 50 to 55 days, so an early August planting means beans by late September. Number 2. Beets. Beets do not mind the cooling soil, and the flavor actually improves with a bit of frost. Direct sow now for a harvest in 6 to 8 weeks. Number 3. Carrots. Late summer carrots avoid the bitterness that early summer heat can cause.
Keep the soil consistently moist while seeds germinate. That is the part most people get wrong.
Number 4. Kale. Kale loves a light frost. Plant now, and by the time the cold hits, the leaves will be sweeter than anything you grew in spring. Number 5. Collard greens. Same idea as kale. Cold hardy, slow to bolt, and one of the few greens that gets better after a frost instead of worse. Number 6. Swiss chard. Chard grows fast, tolerates poor soil, and keeps producing right up until a hard freeze. One of the most forgiving crops on this list. Number 7. Spinach. Spinach bolts in heat, which is why spring plantings often fail. August sowing gives it the cool conditions it actually wants. Number 8. Lettuce. Pick a heat-tolerant or bolt-resistant variety for the first couple weeks of August, then switch to standard varieties as the weather cools. Number 9. Arugula. One of the fastest crops here, ready in as little as 30 days. Good for succession planting every couple of weeks through September. Number 10. Radishes. If you want something to harvest in under a month, radishes are it. Direct sow now and again in 2 weeks for a rolling harvest. Number 11. Turnips. Turnips mature in 5 to 8 weeks, and like beets, the greens are edible too, so you get 2 crops from 1 planting. Number 12. Broccoli from transplants. Start broccoli from transplants, not seed, this time of year, so it has a head start before the days get short. Fall broccoli is often less bitter than spring broccoli. Number 13. Cauliflower from transplants. Same logic as broccoli, transplants only in August. Cauliflower is more heat sensitive, so the cooler fall finish actually helps it head up properly. Number 14. Green onions. Green onions are nearly foolproof and ready in about 60 days. Great for tucking into gaps between other crops. Number 15. Peas. A second pea planting in August can outperform the spring crop since peas prefer the cooler, more stable temperatures of early fall. A few things that make or break an August planting. Water more than you think you need to. August soil is warm and dries out fast, and seeds will not germinate in dry soil. Use a thin layer of shade cloth or mulch for the first week or 2 if you are still getting intense afternoon heat. Know your first frost date, then check each crop's days to maturity against it. If the math is tight, choose transplants over seed to buy yourself extra time. That is 15 vegetables you can still get in the ground this month for a real fall harvest. If you want the full rundown on any one of these, like beets or kale, drop a comment and let me know which one you want covered next. Subscribe for more of these seasonal planting guides, and I will see you in the next one.